Hey, once again, coming back to opening up a Prime Amazon mystery box. Mostly 99% of the stuff is brand new, just returns or I don't know. I bought a few pallets of 24 boxes on a pallet for $900, so it comes out to $37.50 a box, and you can get your money way over that most of the time on every box, 3-4 times as much. Anywhere I've got an Xbox which I kept, phone cases, rugs, anything you can imagine are in these boxes. It's amazing, it really is. Oh, all right, let me get my knife. Open up the box. Okay, and let's see what we got. Let me put this away so I don't cut myself. And if you like anything you see, if you want to buy it, I'm going to have my store, eBay store on the bottom of the video. Like the video, share the video, hit the bell icon, and whatever else they tell you to do, do it. Okay, first thing we got, I believe my Valentine rug. Okay, second item, Halloween pumpkin. Oh, it's a music box, Halloween music box in here. Okay, next item, we have a Merry Christmas mat, brand new, still with the tags. Next item, all kinds of stuff, all Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, you name it, it's in these boxes. The tags up there, and it says a witch hat, kid size. It's stapled down, that's why it's not popped up, but brand new. Another witch's hat, again, name tag still on it. And this is an adult one. Next item. Still has the where it was coming from and where it came from. It came from California and it was going to New Jersey. It's a penguin, I guess. A fluffy penguin. Brand new though. Still in the bag. Paper fell out, and it fell again. Next item, leather band compatible rose gold. Oh, so it's a watch band for iWatch, I guess. Hope I didn't lose anything. I didn't hear anything fall, so. Alright, next item. A money belt for a female. Your keys, your money, whatever else are on your waist. Keep it safe. Still factory sealed. Next item, we have cats and dogs. Oh, bandanas, Halloween bandanas. Yeah, cat, dog. Nice. I have no idea what these are. Camouflage something. So, next item. Nickel egg-shaped stand for your phone, computer. Well, not your computer, but your laptop. Everything. Okay, next item. Pair of shorts. I don't know what size, nothing doesn't say, but still factory in a bag. Well, record. One Direction. Made in the AM. My daughter loved this group. She went to see him a few times, met him, I believe. Loved One Direction. Oh, and it's still factory sealed. Next item. Hello, my darling. It's a close sign. Oh, you can put anything you want. These are the letters and numbers. And it takes batteries and it lights up. That's pretty awesome. Alright, next item. This is a small pajama set. It says it goes for $20. Brand new. Shears. Brand new, still in the factory sealed. Shears to cut your bushes. I don't know. Next item. We got cups, measuring cups. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Again, package is still on there. Even if I sold everything for $2, I would get my money back. Actually, $1. I would make my money back on the box. This is... Oh. I have so many of these. Yes, I'm having trouble putting it back in the box. Next item, we have a fashion mask. Looks like underwear to me, but a fashion mask. Next item, we have a bag full of masks. Black mask. And we have these masks. There's like a hodgepodge. We have a Christmas ornament. Already open, but that's what it is. 2021. Very bad, would not recommend. Okay. We have white sage incense cones. Have any spirits in your house you want to get rid of? Sage. Yep, still factory sealed. Everything's taped up good. Next item. Acoustic wave cleaner. I have no idea. But there it is. That's what it looks like. Let me see. Acoustic wave cleaner. Oh, it's to wash your face. Okay. Wires in there. Looks like it's never been even used. Charge it up and use it. Okay. Next item coming up. This is, what is this? Something tool. I gotta open it up. Some kind of brushes to clean certain things. Must be like for a grill. That's what I'm thinking. The next one we got is a Babu Smoothing Detangling Spray. St. Patrick's Day mask. There's a lot of them, probably maybe 50. Doesn't really say. I took all 3 at a time here. We have Angel. So we had that before. It's a CD with 1 song on it. We have a Happy Father's Day cake topper. A gold necklace. It can't be nothing expensive, I bet. Anderson. Oh, okay. There you go. Has an L on it. Nope. Has a J on it. A necklace with a J on it. Next item, an empty bag. Face shield mask, face shields. More mask. Two weather strips. More mask. Gunna Performance and Protection. Let's see. Glasses. Next item, more sage if you have ghosts in your house. More glasses for if you're on a computer or whatnot. We have scalloped border tape. I have no idea. A dog nail grinder. Still in the bag, factory new, brand new. Again, oil shampoo. Brand new, still wrapped up. Binder clips. More stupid mask. Daily moisturizer for dry skin. A nose shaper. Another watch brand for an iWatch. More of this, but I don't know what it is. Jewelry cleaner. Looks like a bunch of jewelry in this bag. Let's see. maybe it isn't a jewelry. All kinds of stuff in here. Drill bits. Silicone back scrubber. Some kind of tape, I don't know. Let's go Brandon bumper stickers. I have no idea. More tape for a border. More mask. Plastic things. Camouflage thing. And a flashlight glove. And that's it. See you next time. Like it, share it, hit the bell icon.